The Rocketbook Core reusable spiral notebook is a remarkable innovation in the realm of note-taking, blending traditional writing with digital convenience and sustainability. This notebook, designed with a durable black cover and dotted pages, offers a versatile and eco-friendly alternative to conventional paper notebooks. It is ideal for school, work, and creative projects, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to organize their thoughts and ideas efficiently. One of the standout features of the Rocketbook Core is its ability to create, digitize, erase, and recreate. It comes with a Pilot friction pen, which is specially designed to work with the notebook's unique pages. After writing, users can scan their notes using the Rocketbook app, which seamlessly uploads the content to various cloud services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneNote. Once digitized, the pages can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, allowing the notebook to be reused repeatedly. This cycle not only saves paper, but also keeps your notes accessible from anywhere, thanks to the app's cloud integration. The materials used in the Rocketbook Core are of high quality and durability. The pages are made from a premium, reusable material with a dotted grid layout, which provides flexibility for different types of writing and drawing, from bullet journaling to geometric sketches. The spiral binding allows for easy page turning, much like a traditional spiral notebook, and the waterproof cover ensures the notebook withstands daily use and travel. Portability is another key advantage. The Rocketbook Core is available in a letter size of 8.5 by 11 inches, which fits comfortably in backpacks, purses, or briefcases. This size offers ample space for detailed notes while remaining compact enough for on-the-go use. The notebook's design thoughtfully balances functionality with convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of users, including students, professionals, creatives, and parents. The eco-friendly aspect of the Rocketbook Core cannot be overstated. By enabling repeated use of the same pages, it significantly reduces paper waste. This is a major selling point for environmentally conscious consumers who want to minimize their ecological footprint without sacrificing the tactile experience of writing by hand. Users have praised the Rocketbook Core for its ease of use and effectiveness. Many have noted that it replaces the need for multiple sticky notes and traditional notebooks, consolidating all notes in one reusable place. The ability to digitize notes instantly and organize them in the cloud has been highlighted as a major productivity booster. The notebook's smooth, plastic-like pages do not feel like traditional paper, which some users find takes a little getting used to, but the writing experience with the friction pen is generally very satisfying. The pages wipe clean easily with a damp cloth, although users recommend archiving notes regularly and erasing pages every few days to prevent ghosting or ink residue. Writing with a light hand and avoiding heavy erasing with the pen's friction eraser helps prolong the notebook's lifespan. The Rocketbook app is a crucial component of the overall experience. It offers multiple destination options for scanned pages, allowing users to assign symbols to different cloud folders or email addresses. This feature streamlines the organization process, enabling users to scan multiple pages with different destinations in one session without switching settings. The app is polished and user-friendly, making the digital transition smooth and intuitive. Compared to similar products like the Elfenbook, the Rocketbook Core excels in app integration and page-turning ease, thanks to its spiral binding. While Elfenbook offers thicker pages and lined paper, Rocketbook's dotted grid and thinner pages provide a lighter, more flexible notebook that is easier to carry and use quickly. Some users express a preference for combining the best features of both notebooks, but overall, Rocketbook's app and usability give it a distinct edge. The Rocketbook Core is not without its considerations. Because it is a reusable product, it will eventually show signs of wear, especially if used heavily or with a heavy hand. The pages can develop indentations or scratches over time, and the ink may leave faint ghosting if notes are left too long without erasing. However, these are normal for any consumable product and do not detract significantly from its value. Users report that with proper care, writing lightly, archiving regularly, and wiping pages clean, the notebook can last much longer than traditional notebooks, making it a worthwhile investment. The price point is another positive aspect. The Rocketbook Core is affordable relative to its multifunctionality and durability. It offers excellent value for those who want to reduce paper waste, improve note organization, and enjoy the tactile satisfaction of handwriting. Many users recommend it for a wide demographic, including students, teachers, working professionals, parents, and creatives. The notebook's versatility extends to various uses such as journaling, planning, brainstorming, and schoolwork. In summary, the Rocketbook Core Reusable Spiral Notebook is a thoughtfully designed, innovative product that successfully merges analog writing with digital convenience. Its durable materials, smart app integration, and eco-conscious design make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a sustainable and efficient way to take notes. While it requires some care to maximize its lifespan, the benefits of reusability, cloud connectivity, and portability far outweigh the minor drawbacks. For those interested in a modern notebook that adapts to today's digital lifestyle while honoring the traditional joy of pen and paper, the Rocketbook Core is highly recommended. If you already own this notebook, consider leaving a review to help others make an informed choice. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding the Rocketbook Core easily.